Ever wondered why your baby suddenly wakes up crying? It could be because of these bad noises. 1. Sudden loud bangs. A door slamming or an object dropping can shock your baby awake. 2. Sharp, high-pitched sounds. Phone ringtones and alarms can interrupt deep sleep. 3. Inconsistent background noise. TV chatter or car horns outside can prevent restful sleep. 4. Jarring mechanical sounds. Some machines, like fans, create white noise, but others, like a vacuum turning on suddenly, can be disturbing. 5. Deep rumbling noises, or dark noise. Low, unpredictable noises can make your baby restless. To help your baby sleep better, use soft white noise or gentle lullabies instead. It drowns out bad noise and creates a calm sleep environment. Subscribe to Choose Sounds for baby-friendly sleep music and noise.